Nat and
Julia.
Rachel.
Rachel.
And Rachel. This is
Moni.
This is Moni. Well, hi Moni. Do you believe the dogs can, you know, contact us and connect with us?
Haven't thought about it, maybe.
Yeah, but let me show you what I mean. I want you to go 20, 30 meters. I want you to whisper to Moni the name of a person that you know, that she knows as well, that of course that I don't know, okay? Do you have any idea who she might be thinking of?
I could guess,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure.
Okay, come here. All right, I was asking them if they know this person, and they said they might. Do you think they know this person?
Yeah.
So, can I ask Moni?
Sure.
Moni. What? The man? How many letters, Moni? Oh, it's 5.
Yeah.
5 letters. Hey, Moni, what name did you tell me? Who is Simon? Simon?